welcome to Lap 3 Deluxe, everybody. Today we're gonna play a whole shit ton of practice modes. Probably at least 4 on. So, also we're gonna play this as a fucking noise. So let's get this right into soul, everybody. Also, by the way, I just downloaded this mod. Oh fuck. But I downloaded the old version of the mod where there was no lap task, right? But probably at least we're gonna do John better because the gamebar might close itself anytime. Like close or close it anytime. But sometimes it does that. Happened the last time, the last video where I was playing as Multiman, the one is called sorry, sometimes it does that. Oh, lap tasks! Alright, now we're gonna do skate.